beef with the rest, but don't seek out a match to battle with me, cause low-key I'm the best. With punchlines and homophones, meaningful raps, a skill set and all these other blokes fiend to possess. Ayy, pursuing the throne with a winner persona. I'm waiting and ready to blow up like a suicide bomber. Fluent and strong, spill the fluid to conquer. I'm lighting the mic on fire just as soon as I'm on the killing spree. The villain is in the vicinity. From the beginning to killing with rhythm, I did it with ease and easily. Lyrically chilling the weakling till they bleed and pleading miserably. Not even a being a niche I'm feeding, it's all you rappers really been. Ayy, spit out lyrics as blades, handshakes, and then I'ma devour your fresh face. I slit cowards' neck straight, and then I proceed to let the blood leak out like a sex tape. Ayy, you're losing your wit, you used to be sick, till it proved to be a true lunatic. But choosing a diss, get used to being a rumor is sick. Gets prepping his tool up to remove you, cook like Bruce Jenner's dick. Yeah, try and keep up to that until